Mr. Debo Adegbile is the former senior counsel to the United States Committee on the Judiciary. Previously, Debo led the NAACP Legal Defense and Educational Fund, Incorporated, or LDF, the nation's leading civil rights legal organization, as its acting president and director counsel. Debo served LDF in various roles over the last decade, including as its associate director, counsel director of litigation, and has substantial experience in United States Supreme Court litigation. He presented oral arguments in defense of the constitutionality of the core provisions of the Voting Rights Act of 1965, or VRA, before the Supreme Court on 2 occasions. Debo's Supreme Court arguments in 2013 and 2009 followed a multi-year collaborative effort that culminated in the congressional reauthorization of several important provisions of the Voting Rights Act. Debo supervised the LDF team that litigated the appeal in Lewis versus the City of Chicago, the Chicago firefighters case. In that case, argued by LDF's then president and director counsel John Payton in 2010, LDF prevailed in an employment discrimination action brought on behalf of a class of African American firefighter applicants. As a result, approximately 100 of LDF's clients obtained jobs as Chicago firefighters. Other class members received payments from a $50 million fund to redress the Chicago's discriminatory hiring practices. During Debo's service as litigation director at LDF, he oversaw the teams that obtained relief under the United States Constitution in a number of capital cases. In 2006, Debo was lead counsel in Wallace versus Blanco, in which LDF litigated issues related to the voting rights of New Orleans Hurricane Katrina evacuees in an injunction hearing. Debo is a frequent speaker to student, professional, and community groups on constitutional and civil rights topics and appears in the media regularly on these issues. In recognition of his steadfast commitment to the principles of equality and unflinching efforts to guarantee the enforcement of the civil rights protections embodied in the U.S. Constitution and our laws, in 2013, President Barack Obama nominated Debo to serve as the Assistant Attorney General for Civil Rights in the United States Department of Justice. Ladies and gentlemen, the Southern Center for Human Rights salutes its 2014 Frederick Douglass Equal Justice Award honoree, Debo P. Adegbile.